are with Henriette de Breuer at the NAMM show. She has a new book. Tell us about it.
Hello, I'm Henriette. This is my new book, Do-It-Yourself Violin. And this book is aimed at adult violin players that learn to play by themselves. And in this book, the tunes are more popular tunes than you normally expect. So there's Disney, there's film tunes, there is church music, there is Disney Motown, I'm repeating myself now, but also classical music. So there's lots to enjoy for everyone, but the good thing is that these pieces teach a proper pedagogy of violin playing. So you're going to become a really decent violinist using the more popular tunes. I hope you're really enjoying playing from this book. It is available from my website, from strings.com, and from Hal Leonard, and it's available as a hard copy